Hi, welcome to the Slick Picks Darkroom, where your images come to life. My name is Joan Drapeau, and I'm going to take a few minutes to explain how you, as a non-technical person, can add the interactive sense of touch to your images. Whether you have imported your own image or used one from our album, it will not be saved. This workshop is strictly for you to experience how easy and fun it is to create interactivity on images. The darkroom is where you can define a group where zones interact together, such as these stools. To create the interactive zones within that group, such as the left stool, the middle stool, and the right stool. Extract one or more shapes from within a zone, such as we did with this vase and books, and basically make your image come to life and offer a single click to conversion for every item on your image. So let's go over a few features of the darkroom itself. The zoom, for precise interactivity, is located here. It works with either a slide or a quick touch. The menu is located here. Open, close. To move your image, the scroll is located here. And if you would like to choose a different item or exit, you can close back out here. For further assistance while working in the darkroom, locate this question mark where there will be specific text and tutorial videos for the area where you are working. Now, follow me on a tutorial adventure as together we magically make this image interactive.